Hi, I'm Michael Bett from Carnegie Mellon University. Are your students learning? Let's prove it. In this talk, you'll learn about how you can employ learning engineering, a new discipline that's dedicated to bridging the gaps between educational theory and practice, while improving both. Learning is not observable, but the outcomes are. So if we measure the student outcomes, we can identify learning. How do we do this? Our approach is based on evidence-based research. Theories of learning are coupled with instructional design. We use our theories of learning to build a model of expertise. That model of expertise informs the instructional design or practice that the students see. From there, we create a continuous improvement cycle where we observe the student activities at the step level. That feeds back into our model of expertise. We can see if the student is learning or struggling, and then use that information to revise our theories of learning and use that to inform the model of expertise and the instructional design. Learning over time, we can't really tell if the student is learning if we look at the general picture. Let's take a look at geometry. If we look at all the knowledge components all at once, we can't really see anything from this, or if we look at the learning curve. But if we break this down into individual knowledge components, then we can tell when the student is learning for each individual knowledge component. And further, what we're able, using this information at a micro level, we can adjust our instruction for the individual student. At a macro level, we can refine the course to make it more effective or efficient. For example, if we have a learning curve where that is long and flat, we have an opportunity to make the course more efficient and remove some busy work. Students obviously got the skill very early on. Let's not make them keep practicing something they already have mastered. Alternatively, if we have a knowledge or learning curve where the knowledge component is very bumpy, we probably have a poor knowledge decomposition. There's multiple skills in here. This is something that's more complex than we thought. So here's an opportunity to make the course more effective. So we would love to talk to you more about how you can use this process to make your courses more effective. Hopefully you'll vote for us for this talk. Hope to see you at South by Southwest.